Today, I'm going to show you how to redeem codes in Base44 quickly and easily. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in mode. First, open Base44 and look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there, so go ahead and click it. This opens your account options and settings area. Next, click Settings. Once you're inside Settings, look at the left-hand navigation bar and find Credit Usage. Click on Credit Usage to open the page where you can manage and apply account credits. Now you'll see a box labeled Redeem a Coupon or Gift Card. This is where you enter your code. Carefully type your code into that box, making sure there are no extra spaces or mistakes. After that, click Apply. Base44 will process the code and apply the credit or redemption to your account if the code is valid. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed a code in Base44. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Base44 guides and software tips.